Within the first 30 days of launching this YouTube ads campaign, we've generated $184,000 in sales opportunity with a total ad spend of $2,735, which generated 23 exclusive window replacement leads at a cost per lead of $119. And in this video, I'm going to show you why YouTube ads are the secret weapon for generating serious buyers. Now, on YouTube, you're going to get a higher cost per lead compared to Facebook, but the conversion rates and the quality of the leads is going to be doubled as well. Now, the number one reason why you might want to consider YouTube ads is going to be competition, because right now, Facebook is absolutely saturated. There's over 80% of marketers just in the US who are running ads there. Compare that to YouTube, which is only around 8% of businesses, which means that there's less competition and a chance to stand out while everyone else is just fighting over the same Facebook audience. Now, reason number two is user intent. Now, this is a big one. On Facebook, you're interrupting people. They're just scrolling, looking at friends' posts, memes, whatever, watching videos, and your ad just shows up. On YouTube, though, people are in a totally different mindset. They're showing up to either learn, do research, or be entertained. And a lot of times, they're literally typing things like, let's say in the context of window replacement, they might be searching, difference between double pane, triple pane windows, or just costs or material, whatever. And if your ad shows up right there, you're catching someone who's already in the buying mode, and that's why the leads are going to be more qualified. Number three reason is going to be the targeting capabilities. Now, this is where YouTube really separates itself, because Facebook targeting used to be strong, just before, after all this iOS privacy updates and all that, it's just gone weaker. Now, YouTube, on the other hand, is powered by Google, and Google has insane amount of data. And you can layer your targeting three different ways. First is going to be, you've got your basic interest targeting, just like you would do on Facebook. You can target just homeowners, DIY, renovation, and whatever. Now, the second one is you can filter by household income. So if you only want your ads to be shown to, people in the top 10% or 20% of earners, you could do that. And for high-ticket services like, home improvement or windows and doors, this is going to be huge. Now, the third is what I like to call ready-to-buy targeting, and this is next level, because you can actually target people who just searched something on Google. Say somebody literally today searched window replacement company or best window installers in my area. Then when they hop on YouTube, your ads can show up, which is like, it just feels just perfect timing. But it doesn't stop there, because you can also target people who visited your competitor websites. And you can, it's like ethically steal your competitor's traffic. And just imagine, somebody just visited a competitor website, and then once they get back on YouTube, you can show them an ad there. And this is what we did for this client. So we've gathered, I think it's around 80 of their competitors. So we've gone all the link to their website, and now we're telling YouTube, anybody who's visited this website, this is all window and door replacement companies in the area. Whoever visited any of this website, we want to show our ads to them. So imagine how targeted this is. And now let's tie this back to this case study. Again, cost per lead is going to be higher. Almost it's double what you pay on Facebook. But because we're hitting people who not only had interest, but also had the income and the intent, and then we layer that by, showing ads to people who literally, searching, like they're on your competitor's website looking around, they're in the buying mode. We're showing the ads right over there to them, which is going to increase the quality of the lead itself. So we're paying more, but we're getting better quality and higher quality leads. And the takeaway is going to be that YouTube ads are still early. Most businesses, local businesses, aren't on it, and the targeting is way more advanced than Meta, and the leads are higher intent. Now, let me just show you a few of the screenshot of this is just a result. So whenever a lead is generated, we send that lead's information to our end clients via SMS and email immediately, so they can call and book that in-home estimate. Now we're running a video ad creative here, which is a 25 seconds video. And when people see the ad, they're just gonna click on it. We'll take them to a landing page. Just a simple one page, just a landing page. So payment $47 a month, 25% off entire order, lifetime warranty. And obviously I didn't get permission from client to share the video ad, but it's the 25 seconds video ad that we're running. And here the call to action is see if you qualify. Once they click on see if you qualify, we take them here where they can fill out this form. And then once they submit, we take them to a thank you page. And yeah, very simple. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Now, if you own a window and door replacement business and you want to run YouTube ads, you're looking to get, get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video where you can book a free strategy call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick phone call and see if this is the right fit and go from there. Now, thanks for watching and have a nice day.